Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your tech setup. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or add an alternate email address in your Microsoft Teams account. This is useful if you want a new primary email or just need to update your contact info. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft Teams homepage. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. This may show your picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. Once in your account page, navigate to the Your Info section. Scroll down and click Edit Account Info to access all editable details. Look for the option to add email, then enter the new email address you want to associate with your account. Click Add alias to register the new email. To make this new email your main contact, select Make Primary next to the alias. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm the change. And that's it. You've successfully added a new email and set it as your primary contact for Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Microsoft tutorials.